We regard innovation as our drive and devote ourselves to becoming the most valuable synthetic leather brand in this world. Innovation drives world. Profession makes future. In the past, we made full use of technology and knowledge from leather making to realize the strategy of high value-added product. We injected our innovative DNA into production, supply, and sale of the integrated and full-range industrial chain. Besides cooperating closely with well-known domestic brands such as Anan, 361 Degrees, and Erka, we also built up win-win relationship with high-end international sports brands such as Under Armour, Merrell, New Balance, and Skechers. Our products are sold in America, Europe, Vietnam, Mexico, Brazil, Turkey, and Indonesia, and more. On behalf of innovation, profession, credit, and value, we are the synthetic leather manufacturer expert in high-end product technique creation and brand building. A fast-growing industry needs a group of people with abundant creativity. We own robust elite team with distinctive creative DNA which rooted in mind of everyone. They are very passionate and full of creative spirit. They are all pioneers in synthetic leather field. For every employees in Anan, each thought, detail, try and study originates from the pursuit of innovation. The unprecedented investment in production equipments, infrastructure, and personnel provides impetus for our creative wisdom. We pay close attention to environment protection, energy saving, emission reduction, and utilize recyclable resources to realize sustainable development. Investing in international top-level equipment as hardware support, we possess professional, intelligent, systematic, and energy-efficient production line equipment in Changtai Economic Development Zone. 85% of the production line are automatically controlled. Professional research and development enable us to thoroughly master industrial advantages, efficiently utilize global resource, construct global synchronous research and development pattern, and build our own innovation and development system. Based on mutual utilization of technique creation and distinguished platform, we continuously create new skills, new processes, and new products, which pass certification of high and new technology enterprises. Besides, we totally directed and undertook 2 industrial standards formulation in national light industry: synthetic leather test method, yellowing test, synthetic leather test method, hydrolysis test, and leading core technology in this line. We stick to offering outstanding quality, value, and service to meet clients' requirements based on support of top inspect and test equipments to realize real-time detection and monitoring of full procedure, which includes raw material, semi-finished, and finished products inspection. We provide clients excellent product solution schemes. Innovation and technique affect all aspects of our production value chain. Today, as one of the most competitive domestic enterprises in synthetic leather field, we independently offer environmental-friendly, safe, and whole-set customized service to our clients around the world. Our PU synthetic leather and microfiber synthetic leather serial products are widely applied to professional finished products manufacturing fields such as sports shoe, apparel, bag and suitcase, sofa, and auto internal decoration, etc. We, through globalized development view, provide professional synthetic leather solution scheme to you. Innovation is our core. With professional customization, we stand out from this industry. We collect the most cutting-edge international leather trend information for you. We offer the most forward-looking leather sample-making service to you. We are your exclusive personal housekeeper. We are the most trustworthy choice in professional manufacture and service of synthetic leather to you. We devote ourselves to becoming the most valuable synthetic leather brand and convert creative DNA into the most efficient productivity. the greenest and healthiest status, and life with the highest quality. All these give credit to innovation, and we are the ones to innovate.